I got iPhone 5C. After 10 years, people still wanna repair that phone. So let's start. They launched in 2013, which means after 10 years, the guy is repairing that phone. So I can guess, yeah, that's the battery. And look at the screen. Look like it's already open and somebody tried to fix it, or maybe the screen already fixed before. So let's remove the adhesive tape. Look at the battery; it's in rough condition, which makes sense after 10 years. But I'm still surprised it's still working. So here's a new battery. So let's take out from the packing, and after installation, it's not turning on. Of course, it has no charge. So let's put on the charging, and now it's turning on. So this is the first, and now I have a second. And you know what? I got both phone in the same day for the repair. That is interesting fact. So just shut down first and remove the bottom, and the I need to remove the adhesive tape. So the disconnect from the battery. So I just escape all that part. Finally screwed, and let's look at the other one is working. Yes, it is perfectly fine, man. That's amazing. After 10 years, no slow. It's working perfect, by the way, apart the newer iOS. So the same thing to that battery. So I plug in, and now it's turning on. While it's turning on, let's put that phone together. So look, it's now in proper uh, place. So the final screw for that green phone. So let's look at this phone. This old phone is kind of hard to put. It has a groove you have to push in. So now the other one is also charged. So let's turn on. Its touch is working, which means both are working. Thank you.